So as you can see, that wheel turns a lot. Too much. It'll contact the splash guard that comes off of there. That gets attached after the body's on. And it's hitting the brake hose down there. And it's just too much. So, I already installed one on this side. Steering rack limiters. I'm going to start with one on each side and see how that looks. So I popped the clamp off the boot, pulled the boot back, and that basically gets installed right on the shaft there. Just like this. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. And then it slides up in there. There's that. Check the other side. As you can see, this angle right here off of here, that's going to be too much. So, put a second one. Try two on each side. So I got those installed. You can see them right here. Ended up putting 3 on the left side and then 2 on the right side over here. And that limits the turning radius, so nothing's rubbing, nothing's hitting. Brake lines are all clear. Still plenty of turning radius. So now I'm going to put these boots with these clamps back on. Show you a little trick with those. So if you take a piece of wire and wrap it around the little tang that sticks up, and then inside the part that gets crimped, and then just tighten it, it pulls the clamp together. You can snap it in place. But it was tight enough. Anyway, basically what I did was loop a piece of wire between here and the tang, and then just tighten it up and it pulls the clamp together. So Chip pulled it enough that I was able to just squeeze it the rest of the way. Rotate that toward the top. It'll go close enough. Get that boots on real good. And then just lock that tab back down. That's it. So I finished up the radiator expansion hose. That runs down there. And then I did a zip tie mount on the 3/4 tube here. That plumbs into the bottom of this expansion tank. And then I went ahead and installed the Boig Motorsports Cool Tubes. That's here, which replaces that mess on the floor. Not a fan of the corrugated stuff. So up top here I used the constant tension spring clamps. On the bottom I didn't have any of those clamps. I just had straight T-bar clamps. So I may buy some more and swap those out. I got them at O'Reilly's. Yeah, it's a nice clean installation. A lot better than that corrugated stuff, and I'm sure it will last longer. These are the steel coated tubes. And then I put a clamp right here on the 2-inch tube to keep that from bouncing around there. So yeah, nice and clean. I like it.